Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Milestone credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Milestone credit card, open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in www.milestonegoldcard.com and search. The Milestone Gold Mastercard is the credit card for Milestone, which is issued by Mid-America Bank and Trust Company. From the official website, tap the hamburger menu at the top right-hand corner and now tap on My Account. In the login area, type in your username and your password. Start off by typing in your username. On the next field, enter your password. If you don't remember your password or your username, you can tap on the Forgot Your Username or the Password link and follow the instructions to get access to your credential. After filling in your username and password, tap the login button and you'll be able to log into your Milestone Gold Mastercard or Milestone credit card account. If you've not signed up yet for an online account, then you'll need to sign up first, so make sure to register your account by clicking on register your account from the page. That is how you can easily get access to your Milestone credit card online using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.